This right here, it's a 2012 Lexus. This is I love this car. I'm a big fan of Lexus. This car is very nice, from 2012, and it's in great conditions. It's mint conditions, I dare to say. It has a few minor details, regular wear and tear. The car is great. So we're talking about the Lexus LS 460. These are the minor details, little scratches, and right here we have some other minor scratches right here in the front bumper. That's usually pretty normal, considering that usually people, when they park, they scratch the low part of the front bumper. Anyways, Lexus LS 460 2012. This car has 6,568 miles. I was doing a little bit of research, and the average Lexus of this year compared to this one have anywhere from 30 to 35,000 miles more than this one. So this car was, I believe, what, like anywhere from 7,000 to 8,000 miles a year driven. So this is a local trade that we got here at Ocean Cadillac. Car, it's one owner. Whoever had it took really good care of it. The car is pretty loaded. It has memory seats in 3 different settings. That's in there. It has glossy wood trims, which is very nice, very rich looking. Steering wheel too, and across the dashboard, and this lids right here. Pretty nice. I like this trim color. The interior is beige leather, semi-aniline leather, not leatherette. And the exterior, I think it's called Satin Cashmere Metallic, which is a very rich looking color. So I'm doing a quick review for a possible customer of this car. If the deal does not go through, just want to make everybody aware that I'm selling this car. Here, it has parking sensors, heated steering wheel. It has the eco mode. It has power folding mirrors. It has driving modes, I believe, right here. Yeah, that's for the read. So you can see there. Perfect. Navigation. That's the climate control, audio. There's a display. It has Bluetooth connectivity. An updated calendar. Right. Fuel consumption. Pretty cool. Right there, it has ventilated seats for driver and passenger. Oh, here are the different driving modes. It's power, economy, snow, and power. Traction off. Perfect. seats for the passenger. Oh, that's luxury. This is pretty cool right here. This controls the seat belt. You see how you can adjust it? Just by pressing this button right here. Same thing for the passenger. And if you want to control, see how cool is this? Wow. Sunroof. And I gotta tell you, the leather, it's very nice. It's very well taken care of. I like it. I like it. You see right here? Oh, cool. Plenty storage space, USB port, 12 volt, 120 watts volt. Watts. Alright. Pretty nice. Let's control the display, answer phone calls, make phone calls from there. Nice. Now let's take a quick look at the rear passengers. Right here, door, very clean. Door's very clean too. It's nice. The seats are very nice. It's worth mentioning that the car only had one owner. Never was in an accident like that. What is this right here? That's nice. There's another one right there. Some more storage. And this couldn't be missing in a luxury car. Oh, there you go. Heated seats for the rear passengers. For those mornings deep into the 60s if you live in Florida. That's when you're going to get to use those. Very nice. Let's see right here. That's I guess that's for smokers. Even though this is a non-smoker car, no bad odor whatsoever. Whoever had this car really took care of it. That's what I can say. Dual climate controls. Oh, it has the easy access button right here and right there, and all the doors. And look at that. A lot of different. This is for the numbers 4. Oh, that's leg extensions. Look at that. Nice. Everything's working. Everything's working just fine. Let's look at the trunk. There you go. Plenty of space. Plenty of space if you need that. Oh, it has a rear window shade. That, I don't know if it's automatic. When you put it in reverse, it should go down. Look. Yeah, it is. You put it in reverse, you get your camera, and the shade goes down. Put it back in parking, and the shade goes back up. So, amazing car. Let's see the sunroof. Works just fine as well. So, that goes it. Oh, this is the tilt. Good. All right. Mirrors working. Lights. Sunglasses. Store. The garage openers, controllers. Wow, this car is very, very complete. I love it. I love it. So, my name is Jose. I work for Ocean Cadillac, and this is what I do. I sell brand new Caddies and certified pre-owned Cadillacs and any other pre-owned brand that you can think of. Like this beautiful Lexus right here. Yep. So, let's take one last look in the outside. As I was saying, the car has no major scratches, no dents or dings or anything that I can see right here, other than the regular wear and tear in the front bumper and the rear bumper. Other than that, the car is pretty nice. The wheels have wear and tear. Also, the tires are pretty good. They have a lot of life in it. That's the regular wear and tear on the wheels. Scratches on the back. The reason why I'm showing this is because I have been sending a lot of cars out of the state, and I use these videos for them to see how the car is. There are no surprises when they see that the car has some scratches. And yeah, that's what it is. Other than that, the car is nice and clean, and it drives beautiful. It's a big cruiser sedan, luxury sedan. What else? So yeah, this is your boy Jose. Thank you. And hey, if you're looking for a new car or a pre-owned, it doesn't matter what brand and model, I can get it for you. Possible. Have a good day, people.